Today's adventure brings us to Dowdell'S Knob in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Let's go take a look. We're here at Dowdell'S Knob in Pine Mountain, Georgia, and let me take you down there for this view. This view is out of this world. You can look out across there into forever almost and see all the ridge line out there. It's the lower end of I'd say the foothill of the Appalachian Mountains here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. This is a grill. Let's see what's on this plaque down here. Franklin D. Roosevelt loved to picnic here, and he had this grill built. It was filled in to preserve it. And I think it's a good-looking grill. This is the rock everyone sits on for pictures out here. And it makes a wonderful picture of these beautiful foothill mountains. Over there's the Pine Mountain Ridge. And then over this way is into Meriwether County and Warm Springs. And then if we circle over this way, over that way is Oak Mountain, over near Hamilton. You can see through the trees over there the Oak Mountain Ridge over towards Hamilton, Georgia. And you can see that by going down these stairs here at Dowdell'S Knob in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And I just love the view. I love how the clouds shadow some of the trees. And if you can see way down there, you can barely see a road, at least from where I'm standing. They built this wall up too. When they fill that in, that grill down there. This is just so beautiful out here. There's something else really cool I want to show y'all over here. This is a really cool hollowed out tree. And if you look down in it, there's not really much down in there, but it's just a hollowed out tree. Looks like an old tree they cut down out here with a lot of rings in it. I think it's pretty cool. There's the other part of it. Hollowed out. Up here, you can get your picture made with a statue or FDR statue. You can see there's a place to sit there to have your picture made with him on a full bench. He's sitting there looking out into forever. And my, what a view he has every day. He loved this place up here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. Dowdell'S Knob. And there's plenty of places to picnic, plenty of places to sit under the shade. It's just beautiful up here. Walking down this sidewalk, you can get a great view of out into forever. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Dowdell'S Knob, Pine Mountain, Georgia.